So I want to show you something. They are fixing the railings over here. On building 43. They are doing some railings here on building 43. I'm assuming that some of them are damaged or something of that nature, and they're just replacing some. But it's good that they're putting some new railings. It looks like this one on the right is loose or something. I don't know if they're going to be doing any more renovations on this building. This building, I think, is vacant at the moment, and I don't see anybody here.